All right, guys, I got to do this fast so I don't lose you. This is going to be one of the most satisfying videos you will see today, I promise. Give me that thumbs up, subscribe, hit the bell so you don't miss my videos. Also, go subscribe to Hunid Man Kam. Let them know I sent you. Here's your video.
One debt to society later.
Yo, sir, you can't park like this.
Is it?
You can't park like this. What are you doing?
Writing my report?
Yeah, but what are you doing? You can't park like this. We got a lot of calls coming out here. People parking weird.
No calls for us now?
What are we doing? No. People parking like this. They literally like, come on. Let's go. Fix it. Fix it. Quickly, come on. I don't got all day. Come on. Attaboy. Yeah. Attaboy. Nothing shady's going on. You know, like badge numbers being denied. You know, we can't identify the police. Is this guy an impersonator? Because those situations really do happen. You know, cops pretend to be cops and then they
I've
kidnap.
seen it plenty of times.
Plenty of times, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And
Shit, bro.
Hey, can I have your badge number?
Let him go.
Can I have your badge number?
Just keep
Oh,
walking.
no?
No, I'm under no obligation to give you my badge number.
Look, I got it.
denying that request
Well,
should.
technically that's against the law, but
So it's against the law.
I mean, it's not. It's part of our general orders that if someone asks us for a badge number or a name, we have to give it to them.
You have to give it to him.
I'm ready to give it to you. I have no problem with it. I don't see why. In my opinion, there's no reason to hide it.
Yeah. You don't want to give me your badge number, officer?
No.
Okay. Badge number 2.
No, you can't have it.
I can't have your badge number either.
All right, guys. Well, you were fun.
Can I get your badge number? You're required to do that, by the way.
Who picked up a camera and started recording police? The Hunid Man Kam. Go subscribe, let them know Joaquin sent you. I'll see you guys over there.